Hey guys, Stocky Bros. We're back here at Ottawa Beach in Holland. This is our final day before we actually go to a school-sponsored conference in downtown Grand Rapids. So it's basically the end of our sightseeing adventures. It's gorgeous, 85 degrees and sunny here. So I think we're gonna get in the water. Here he goes, Caleb.
Cowabunga!
And Caleb goes into Lake Michigan.
Freaking cold.
Come on, we gotta. Do you regret doing that, or you regret doing that yet?
No, that was fun.
All right, guys. This might be the end of the travel portion, bruh. This might be the end of the travel portion. I'm gonna have to. He's not getting a ride home, I don't think. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us here in West Michigan. Say goodbye to the good old Nissan Sentra. And now we are off to downtown Grand Rapids. Good morning from beautiful downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan. We are here at the Acton University conference, so don't think I'm gonna film too much inside. Maybe I'll try to get a couple things for you, but it's actually a very beautiful city. Check it out. All right, guys, we are here, like I said, in downtown, and this is the arena. The Grand Rapids Griffins play here, as well as the Denver Nuggets G League affiliate. It's actually a nice arena for a city that's not that big.
Power is talked about a lot by the major philosophers. Think of someone like Thomas Aquinas.
All right, guys, we're here at the Remnant Trust collection, and they have a ton of very old manuscripts. This is actually a 1200s copy of the Latin Vulgate, and the Remnant Trust is letting us look at these through them. This is
1200 handwritten Latin Vulgate Bible. That's crazy. I can't believe that we can hold this. All right, one final goodbye here in downtown Grand Rapids. It's been a really fun trip. It's kind of like bittersweet that it's all ending, but you know, it's one of those things where I think we're ready to go. It's been tiring. All right, guys, really funny story. My bag was 56 pounds and there's no oversized bags allowed, so I'm having to try to switch stuff from my suitcase to my backpack, and we're gonna go see if it's under 50 pounds. What's up, guys? We are back in Huntington Beach and we have Detroit style pizza for the first time, but in California. Like I said, we are finally back in Southern California, and man, it's been really fun making these videos and getting to reminisce about the trip all over again as I'm editing. Man, we spent over a week here in Michigan, and I can honestly say it was one of my favorite trips ever, especially getting to do it with my roommate Caleb. So hopefully we'll be able to make more travel videos in the future. And if you did enjoy, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, if you guys are planning on traveling to West Michigan, feel free, leave a question. I'd be happy to help you guys have a good time on your trip if you're going out there. And so that's how you do a Michigan vacation, Hockey Bro style. See you guys in the next one.